Let's rethink change. What if it wasn't a cost, but a way to drive profit?
So, here's the big question. Are the changes you're making actually helping your bottom line?
You know, traditionally, change management is just seen as an unavoidable cost, something you have to do. But what if you treated it like a portfolio, dialing in resources for the best possible return?
And making that shift is exactly what the CM2 experience is all about. It's not just training. It's a dynamic simulation that puts you right into real-world scenarios. And get this, in just 2 days, you'll gain a whole new strategic mindset. So you're not just watching, you're actually living through a product's entire life cycle.
Yep, from that first light bulb moment all the way to retirement, you're in charge.
You'll be making decisions, solving real problems, and working with your peers to get it done. And this is for everyone, newcomers, seasoned pros, even certified experts. It gets everyone on the same page. Okay, but what's the real-world payoff? How does this actually connect process to profit?
Well, this is what you actually gain: real efficiency, clear governance, and integrated processes.
Because it's focused on what leaders really care about, the financial impact of every single decision. So imagine what you could do with total clarity on how every change hits your bottom line.